Hi everyone, and welcome to the fourth and final video of the Canva crash course. In this video, I'm going to show you how to export and share your design. In our last video, we finished our logo design and are now ready to export it. Let's start by logging into Canva and going to the All Your Designs tab. Let's click on our logo that we were working on to bring up our artboard. At the top right corner, you'll see a few options. There's the Share button, the Download button, and the ... button to bring up more options. By clicking the Share button, you can share this design with your team. You can type in a name or email, and you can change the sharing settings at the bottom. The Download button lets you download a file that you can then put into other content or post on different platforms. You have the options to download as a PNG file, JPEG, PDF, or a PowerPoint document. There's also the beta version to download as an MP4 or a GIF file, but we won't worry about those for now. PNG files are great if you want a high-quality image that you can resize easily without losing too much quality. JPEGs are great for having a good quality image with a smaller file size. PDF is ideal if you want to have more than one page or artboard, or if you plan on printing it out. PowerPoint files downloaded as a PowerPoint slide ready to go for you. Once you've selected your option, go ahead and click the Download button and your design should appear in your Downloads folder. You're ready to go! There's also more options. By clicking this, it brings up the Download option again, and it also brings up more sharing options for different platforms. It also brings up printing options. Canva also does printing services where you can order business cards with your design or even t-shirts. That's it for Canva Crash Course. Thanks for watching, everyone, and happy designing!